Speaking of Tesla, we were talking about how the Model 3 had been doing well in the JD Power in China, and the Shanghai factory had been delivering quality by the looks of it as far as the domestically manufactured Tesla models. Well, the Model Y, it sounds like it's about to be the same thing. We have another report from South China Morning Post. Buyers of the locally made Model Y are going to have to wait till February for deliveries to start. Prices came in lower than they had originally expected, which is always a good thing. Starting at $52,000 for the long-range version, excluding a government subsidy, and that's 30% cheaper than the price that was originally quoted for those buyers in that region. So they got a nice little bonus, a nice little surprise, and like, oh, for this type of deal, we can't miss out. Now, obviously, as I've mentioned in the past, Will, there's a lot of competition in that particular market for EVs, way more than here. There's 5 or 6 brands, including one brand that actually landed ahead of Tesla in the JD Power rankings. Was that NIO? I'm trying to remember the name of it now. NIO, is that the correct? Yeah, NIO. And I've actually got another story coming up after this one about how Foxconn is preparing to enter the electric car space in a more significant way in that market as well. So it's kind of difficult for us to imagine, because here, as far as dedicated electric car companies that only sell electric cars, it's Tesla and that's it, really, for the most part. I know there's a lot that are emerging now, but don't have a product on the road yet, like the various truck companies that are rushing to get a product out and things like that. China's completely different. China, you have so many domestic players to choose from. So when Tesla succeeds in China, it might actually mean more than when it succeeds here, because it's up against other electric competitors that are selling products more similar than what's currently available in the North American market. But anyways, yeah, so the Model Y, people are really excited about, even though they have to wait. They're willing to pay $52,000. They think they're getting a deal.